All right, are you ready? I think I'm ready. Let's go to pattern-collections.com, go to pattern focus, and let's start a new week. For this one, looks like we got K's and some L's as today's patterns. This one is called Karobo. Not sure I can do this one on a bookmark. Yeah, it's more of a grid type pattern. I think I need a little bit more space, so I don't think I'm going to be doing a bookmark today. Let's get a bigger tile out. Okay, so it's going to be like a dot grid, but instead of using circle dots, we're going to use diamond shapes. And then we're going to go from this tip to this tip on the diamond shapes and do a little curve on every other one. Not that one, this one. And then step 3, on these ones, we're going to do a little oval. And then color in these diamonds and those ovals. And then do a little droopy curve like that. So it ends up like this. That's what we're aiming for. We'll see what happens. Nobody's done a video on this yet, so let's give this a go. In order to kind of keep my stuff lined up, I'm going to give myself a little bit of a regular pencil grid first. I chose my big piece of coffee dyed paper. I'm going to give myself a border. And I'm going to give actually, I don't like the way I did that. Give me a second here. Okay. I want one kind of near the top, one kind of near the bottom, and then maybe 3 more rows. Something like that. That's going to help me space out my diamond shapes. And then I want something like that. Okay. Kind of giving myself a little bit of a grid of somewhere so I can do my diamond shapes. And so I'm going to put them, I don't know if you can even see what I drew, but I'm going to put my diamond shape here. Oop, if my pen will write, like that. totally in the zone. Can you tell? Okay, there we go. I feel like I need another row here. Okay, that's better. Okay, now I'm going to erase all my little guidelines because even though you guys probably can't see it, I can see it, and I don't want it to distract me from the rest of the pattern. Okay. So this one goes like this. And skip that row. Like that. And then here gets ovals. Like so. And then, oh, then we're supposed to do the coloring in part. I'm going to change over to my bigger pen. And I'm supposed to color in these diamonds. Maybe I can kind of address their shape a little bit here. Some of them are really quite wonky. And I'm supposed to color in the ovals here. Oh, I looked up the fire. It's more than 50% contained. Thank goodness for that. And it's up to like 22,000 acres. 21 plus, almost 22. Probably by the time you see this, it will have grown to that. Maybe, I don't know. Of course, by the time you see this, it'll probably be out. So if you look it up, it'll probably be finished or close to being finished, I hope. Like I said, it's every day's gotten a little bit better with the smoke, so my voice is coming back. That was really hard for me to breathe, though. Apparently I wasn't the only one. There were a lot of people going to the ER when they couldn't breathe. I didn't get that bad where I went to the ER, but I definitely couldn't breathe. I tried to stay indoors as much as I could. Okay, that's for that part. And then the last part we're supposed to do is do this like so. And then oh, that was supposed to go middle to middle. Well, I went at the top. Feels very circusy, this pattern. And then I suppose you can embellish however you want. I feel like I want to do another swoop on these guys. Not too sure why I felt like I needed these stripes, but here they are. I actually like them. Okay. What was the name of this? I've forgotten already. I'm really good at forgetting those things. Karobo. Time for some shading. Someone's at my front door. I'm going to have to go check. I'm almost done here though. It's probably just the Amazon guy. My son still does 99% of his shopping online through Amazon. Okay. Decided I want to color in those diamonds in the light. I think I want like that. Okay, I think I'm done. You guys have a great day. I'm gonna go see what was delivered at my front door and go and do something nice for someone today. Let's make the world a better place, and I will see you on the next pattern. Bye-bye.